Alright, so we're going to go over some euro pairs and some pound pairs tonight. We're going to check out the monthly outlook because it is a new month. So I like to do this at the start of every month, is break down my monthly moves, because if you can do that, then you can figure out what's more likely to happen, and then you can take advantage of the full monthly moves and capitalize on a lot more pips without risking more entries. So starting off with this Euro 50 index here, we are going to move this here. So now you can see September's our goal here, our month of August. Looking at this, it's still bullish and it broke this area. So I've been meaning to short this for a long time, but then it created some support here. So I really do think that shorting this is off the table for a while now. So, and I'm not going to counter trend trade. It's way above this moving average. It broke this major zone here. So it is bullish, whether I want it to be or not. It is, I think, at like new highs, all-time highs. So yeah, and last month, I guess, closed above this. So yeah, this is bullish, but we don't really have any idea where it's headed to. So with that being said, you would have to plan a trade based on this criteria. So basically, you're just looking for a long position to its monthly range, and your entry would be this area of support. So you'd be looking at a long position here. I'll just delete that actually. So it takes a few minutes to set up your charts here for the month, but as soon as you do it, you're good to go. So we'll just delete these zones. We got to figure out what the range is for the month. So the range is about 300 points. So I like to do figure out my highs and lows for the month and put them around whole numbers. So I mean, this works out really well. This is right at 4,400. You can see it's right in this area here. So that's most likely a good low. If price is going to continue upwards this month, then this would be a very good entry, and this is most likely where the low will be. So will be this area. If it comes down here and rejects this area and is going to head further up, then this is probably the price in the area that it's going to go to. So 4,400, and then our high will be 4,700 for the month. So there you go, that's your monthly range. So you're looking at a long position, something like this. Target that full area, and then could be something like this. Price comes back down into this zone here, and then rejects and heads higher. So you can see yesterday's day candle didn't close super well. It was bullish and it pulled back more than half. So more than half this candle is wicked. So that tells you that, you know, there might be losing some bullish momentum, and it might pull back even more. So if you look at this little leg here that price moved, I mean, this is bang on your 50%. Retracement is right on this zone, right at the bottom of this zone, and right near this 4,400 level. And you can see this little where all these wicks are, wicks. This is a zone as well. So that would most likely be a very good entry. You just have to wait and see, let it play out a bit more, let it set up. But looking at it right now, early on, I would say that's most likely what will happen. So that is the Euro 50 index. I know it's not super popular, but I do like the indexes. They move pretty well. They like, when they're going up, and then when they go down really fast. So that's the Euro 50.